McDonald's, Chick-fil-A, Taco Bell, Subway, Sonic, headquartered in Oklahoma, dominates most of the southern United States, including Alabama. Chick-fil-A, often considered a southern chain, makes a strong showing in Alabama with third place. Sonic, McDonald's, Taco Bell, Subway, Wendy's. Between great year-round weather and COVID-19 social distancing concerns, it makes sense that a drive-in restaurant like Sonic would do well in Arizona. Sonic, McDonald's, Taco Bell, Subway, Chick-fil-A. Sonic is the most popular fast food stop in Arkansas as well, while Chick-fil-A rounds out the top 5. McDonald's, Taco Bell, In-N-Out, Subway, Panda Express. Perennial favorite McDonald's is tops in California, which was where the company was founded in 1940. The beloved southwestern U.S. chain In-N-Out, known for its burger and fries served animal style, makes one of its first appearances on the list here too. Chick-fil-A, McDonald's, Wendy's, Taco Bell, Subway. Coloradans love their chicken sandwiches, apparently, since Chick-fil-A is tops in their state. Interestingly, Chipotle, which was founded in Colorado, doesn't even make the top 5 here. Wendy's, Taco Bell, Burger King, McDonald's, Subway. Known for its square hamburger patties, chili and frosties, Wendy's is the most popular fast food in Connecticut. Subway rounds out the top 5, something it does in an impressive 30 other states. Chick-fil-A, Taco Bell, Burger King, McDonald's, Subway. Who knew Delaware enjoyed its fried chicken sandwiches so much? Chick-fil-A heads up the list here, followed by Taco Bell, Chick-fil-A, McDonald's, Wendy's, Burger King, Subway. Chick-fil-A is headquartered in neighboring Georgia, so it's not too surprising that those iconic chicken sandwiches are the most popular in Florida. McDonald's, Taco Bell, Subway, Chick-fil-A, Wendy's. It is a little surprising that Chick-fil-A only comes in at 4th in the state where it started and is headquartered, but it's hard to beat the big guys like McDonald's, Taco Bell and Subway. Sonic, Burger King, Subway, Taco Bell, McDonald's. Idaho preferring Sonic over all other fast food is a little bit of an anomaly compared to surrounding states. Interestingly, 4 states that border Idaho choose Wendy's, but it's not even in the top 5 here. Wendy's, Burger King, McDonald's, Taco Bell, Subway. Remember the Wendy's Super Bar buffet from the 80s and 90s? I bet a lot of Illinois residents do, where Wendy's is the most popular fast food option. Burger King, the home of the Whopper, comes in second. Chick-fil-A, McDonald's, Wendy's, Taco Bell, Subway. Fried pork tenderloin sandwiches are an Indiana specialty, so it makes sense that the most popular fast food chain specializes in a similar item. Fried chicken sandwiches, Taco Bell, McDonald's, Subway, Burger King. Mexican food is tops in Iowa, where Taco Bell is the most popular fast food choice. The chain was founded in California and is known for its collaborations with brands like Mountain Dew and Doritos, which appeals to young people. Sonic, McDonald's, Subway, Taco Bell, Wendy's. It's no surprise that Sonic takes the top spot in Kansas since it's next to the state where it was founded. Chicken McNuggets are almost as popular, followed by footlong BMTs at sandwich giant Subway. Sonic, Taco Bell, McDonald's, Wendy's. Subway. Kentuckians, too, enjoy a good drive-in like Sonic, which is the most popular fast food in the state. I wonder if there's ever been a mint julep slush. Popeyes, Sonic, Raising Cane's, a McDonald's, Subway. Fried chicken is king of fast food in Louisiana. Popeyes, with its spicy, crunchy chicken, takes the top spot, which is fitting as the restaurant was founded in New Orleans in 1972. Raising Cane's, a chicken finger restaurant, takes third. Raising Cane's was founded in the state in 1996, so it makes sense that this is the only state where it's in the top 5. Taco Bell, KFC, McDonald's, Subway, Burger King. Taco Bell is the most popular fast food in Maine, with KFC coming in second. This is only one of 2 states where KFC breaks the top 5. Chick-fil-A, Taco Bell, Burger King, McDonald's, Subway. There are no crab cakes sold in Maryland's top 5 fast food restaurants, where Chick-fil-A is the most popular. But you can get seafood salad at Subway, which comes in 5th place. Taco Bell, Wendy's, McDonald's, Burger King, Subway. Tacos, burritos and crunch wraps are favorites in Massachusetts, where Taco Bell is the most popular fast food. It joins 3 other states in the Northeast that also can't get enough of the Bell. Taco Bell, McDonald's, Burger King, Wendy's. Subway. Michiganders love Taco Bell too. In fact, most of the upper Midwest does, where it appears in the top 5 in 6 other states. Taco Bell, Culver's, McDonald's, Subway. Chipotle. Mexican food is popular in Minnesota, where Taco Bell takes the top spot, and Chipotle brings up the rear. This is the only state where Chipotle makes the list, and one of only 3 where Culver's makes the list. Way to be unique. Minnesota, Sonic, Wendy's, McDonald's, Subway. Taco Bell. Cherry limeades and half-price happy hour are tops in Mississippi, where Sonic is the most popular option. There are almost 100 locations of the chain in the state. Sonic, McDonald's, Taco Bell, Burger King, Subway. The drive-in model is also working well in Missouri, where Sonic is the most popular. Only Texas has more locations of the restaurant. Wendy's, Arby's, Taco Bell, McDonald's, Subway. Spicy chicken sandwiches and square burgers at Wendy's take the top spot in Big Sky Country. Montanans also like their meats, because Arby's comes in second, one of only 5 states where it breaks the top 5. Sonic, Arby's, a McDonald's, Subway, Burger King. Sonic dominates in Nebraska, but Arby's is also second in popularity here too. Roast beef and deli sandwiches are devoured on the plains. McDonald's, Del Taco, Subway, In-N-Out, Panda Express. Good old reliable McDonald's is the most popular in Nevada, but there are some interesting restaurants that made the list. Del Taco comes in second, and this is the only state where it cracks the top 5. In-N-Out comes in fourth, and Panda Express, a Chinese-American restaurant that only appears on this list 3 times, rounds out the top 5. Taco Bell, Wendy's, McDonald's, Burger King, Subway. New Hampshire is dominated by Taco Bell, just like all 3 states that border it. Classic Burger Wars contenders Wendy's, McDonald's and Burger King follow close behind. Wendy's, McDonald's, Taco Bell, Burger King, Subway. Wendy's is the most popular fast food in New Jersey. Along with the top spot in New York and Connecticut, it creates a densely populated triumvirate of red pigtails. Sonic, Taco Bell, McDonald's, Burger King, Subway. Maybe the dry, warm weather in New Mexico contributes to drive-in Sonic being the most popular fast food restaurant there. Taco Bell comes in second, Wendy's, McDonald's, Taco Bell, Burger King, Subway. The number 1 fast food restaurant in New York is Wendy's, where people dip their French fries into chocolate frosties. Sub sandwiches are less popular, but still make the grade, with Subway coming in 5th, McDonald's, Taco Bell, Wendy's, Chick-fil-A, Subway. The Golden Arches are king in North Carolina, where the Big Mac is preferred over chalupas from number 2 Taco Bell. Chick-fil-A makes a respectable showing in 4th place, McDonald's, Taco Bell, Burger King, Subway. Buffalo Wild Wings, McDonald's comes out on top in North Dakota, but it's the 5th spot that is unusual. Buffalo Wild Wings, a sports bar known for their countless wing sauces, makes its only appearance on this list. They're presumably doing a lot more takeout during the pandemic than usual. McDonald's, Burger King, Subway. Ohioans prefer to make a run for the border at Taco Bell above all other fast food. Wendy's, which was founded and is headquartered in the state, comes in second. Sonic, McDonald's, Taco Bell, Subway, Chick-fil-A. Sonic was founded as a drive-in in Oklahoma in 1953, and today it's still the most popular fast food in the state, even if it's a huge corporation now. Taco Bell, Burger King, McDonald's, Panda Express, Subway. Taco Bell is most popular in Oregon, followed by Burger King and McDonald's. 2 chains that tout healthy options and fresh vegetables take the last 2 spots, Panda Express and Subway. McDonald's, Wendy's, Chick-fil-A, Burger King, Subway. The world's most famous skinny fries at McDonald's are the most popular in Pennsylvania, followed by Wendy's skin on fries, and Chick-fil-A's waffle fries. McDonald's, Wendy's, Burger King, Taco Bell, Subway. The smallest state prefers McDonald's over the other big burger chains, with Taco Bell and Subway bringing up the rear. Sonic, McDonald's, Chick-fil-A, Wendy's, Subway drive-in model as a winner in South Carolina, where Sonic takes the top spot. Chick-fil-A, which is headquartered in neighboring Georgia, comes in at 3rd. Culver's, McDonald's, Burger King, Subway. Taco John's, Wisconsin-based Culver's, known for its butter burgers and frozen custard, is the most popular fast food restaurant in South Dakota. Taco John's and its popular potato olays comes in 5th, one of only 2 states where it makes a list. Sonic, McDonald's, Wendy's, Taco Bell, Subway. People love to drive into a Sonic stall in Tennessee for a happy hour shake. On the other end of the list, Subway takes the 5th spot, the same spot it takes in 30 other states. Sonic, Whataburger, McDonald's, Chick-fil-A, Subway. Whataburger is a well-loved Texas-based chain of burger restaurants, and it comes in 2nd in its home state, the only place it appears on this list. It wasn't able to surpass stalwart Sonic, however. Wendy's, Burger King, Subway, McDonald's, Chick-fil-A. The most popular fast food chain in Utah is Wendy's, where a cup of chili poured over a baked potato is a warming meal in winter. Subway beats out McDonald's here, one of only 2 states where that happens, the other is neighboring Idaho. Taco Bell, KFC, Burger King, McDonald's, Subway. Taco Bell comes in 1st in popularity in Vermont, while KFC is 2nd. This is only the 2nd state on this list to include KFC, and both are the 2nd most favorite. McDonald's, Taco Bell, Chick-fil-A, Wendy's, Subway. Happy Meals are on the menu for a lot of families in Virginia, where McDonald's is the most popular fast food spot. Taco Bell and Chick-fil-A take the 2nd and 3rd spots in the list. Wendy's, Taco Bell, McDonald's, Burger King, Subway. Washingtonians must be big fans of spicy chicken sandwiches in order to push Wendy's to the top of the popularity list there. Like its Pacific Northwest neighbor, Oregon, McDonald's comes in 3rd. Wendy's, Taco Bell, Arby's, McDonald's, Subway. Wendy's takes the top spot in West Virginia as well. Arby's is the 3rd most popular fast food chain there, one of only 5 states where it appears in the top 5. Culver's, Wendy's, McDonald's, Taco Bell, Subway. It's no surprise that Culver's is the top choice in Wisconsin, where it's headquartered. It has built its brand around using Wisconsin ingredients, and brings the joy of fried cheese curds to the rest of the country. Wendy's, McDonald's, Arby's, Subway. Taco John's. Perhaps residents of Wyoming are fans of the Baconator, and that's why Wendy's is the top choice. Taco John's brings up the rear here, one of only 2 states where it appears here.